Hello, this is Paul Barrett. I'm going to give you a brief overview of when a system has a failed disk and how to remedy that. First thing you want to do is log into your system. You'll see that I got a red indicator saying I have a failed disk. I navigate to that area. From there, you can see that it is a predicted error. From there, you can also notice that the disk is down. That means it's ready to be replaced. I'll go ahead and get that replaced and we'll move on to the next step. The next step is you want to notice that capacity is 1.82. Free space is not 1.82, it's 178. So all the data was not evacuated off this drive. But if we go check the logs, oh, take that back. We're not going to check the logs now. We go check the alerts. We'll notice that the disk 10, it did fail, the system did, and it is set to be removed. So we can go ahead and remove that disk now because the logs say that we're good to go to remove it. So after the disk has been replaced, you'll see it show up in the unassigned folder. Make sure it is healthy and ready to go. Healthy here. It is the right size. From there, you go ahead and you manage the disk. And you read here, select a disk to be assigned as hot spare. So since we already have a hot spare, we do not check this box. We click continue. And it says, oh, this is the single disk we want to add. We add disk now. We let it do its thing. And then it pops up, says, hey, 16, you have two 16s. Do you want to delete the old disk that we removed? Well, that's a good idea. So we go ahead and select it and delete the selected disk. And then you want to run a rebalance, which moves your data from your existing disk to spread across evenly across all your disks. So we go ahead and close this because it'll just run in the background. And then we can view and click on free space and see that our new disk is in, has 1.8 terabyte capacity, 1.82 terabyte free space, and eventually it'll start spreading out all the disks so they'll be all evenly spaced like these disks, 138 megabyte free across all these disks. Then you want to go into your alert monitor, and it looks like it already acknowledged some of these alerts because our status is green. So we'll go ahead and acknowledge our alerts. Now it says we're going to run out of space in a month. So we want, well, actually 5 months. So we're going to keep an eye on our space. Okay, all our alerts are now acknowledged.